Hey everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to mix up fertilizer and apply it. It may be your first time fertilizing your plants. Don't worry, it's really easy. At any garden center, you'll find a number of water-soluble fertilizers for your plants. All that means is that it's a powder that you mix with water and then pour it onto your plants. I've got links in the description to Amazon for all the different products shown in the video today. So if you need anything, just check it out. Each fertilizer will tell you how much fertilizer you need to add to a gallon of water. The fertilizer I have here is made by proven winners. For this one, you need 2 tablespoons and 1 gallon of water. You've got a couple of different ways to apply the fertilizer. The first way is simply using a watering can. After putting in the fertilizer and the water, you'll want to mix this up to make sure you stir it up and ensure the fertilizer is all dissolved. Watering cans are great and simple. However, if you are fertilizing a larger area, you might want to use something that can cover a larger area. Here I've got a 4-gallon backpack sprayer. Because it's 4 gallons, you'll put 8 tablespoons of fertilizer in with the 4 gallons of water and shake it up to make sure it's mixed. The handle on the side pressurizes the tank, and you can use the sprayer on the other side. I spray each plant for about 30 seconds when fertilizing with my backpack. The last method I have here is a hose sprayer. The hose end sprayer is great for large areas. You can put up to 3/4 of a pound of fertilizer in the sprayer, set the dial on top to the correct setting. When you turn the water on, the mixes with the fertilizer and sprays out the correct measurements. Because the water does pour onto the container with the fertilizer, you don't want to add too much because it will all be wet and whatever is left will be thrown away. I hope this helped explain how to mix and apply the fertilizer. If you have any comments, please leave them below and please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.